Micro tool, the boundary phrase. When expectations are drifting, even slightly, insert a boundary phrase that does not feel like a boundary. Let me shape the picture so we both see the same thing before we take the next step. Clients lean into this without defensiveness because it does not imply disagreement, it implies collaboration. The boundary becomes a frame, wide enough for flexibility, firm enough for alignment. Expectation management becomes natural when the frame feels supportive rather than restrictive. Case, the client who thought they'd asked for something else. A French HR director believed she had clearly communicated what she wanted from a new multilingual onboarding process. The consultant believed he had understood her perfectly. They began working from two different mental pictures, and only realized this 2 weeks later. When they regrouped, he used an expectation frame without naming it. Let me shape the picture we're both working from, so we can see where our frames merged and where they didn't. The director visibly relaxed. The conversation shifted from blame to alignment. The project regained traction. Expectation framing isn't about boundaries. It is about creating a shared horizon. Scenario practice, using emotional and pace tools. In your next multilingual meeting, consciously reduce your emotional pace during the first 5 minutes. This sets the regulation for everyone else before complexity appears.